The exam mess has exploded. Amid the NEET UG controversy, yet another exam postponed. NEET PG entrance examination scheduled for the 23rd of June was postponed by the Health Ministry on Saturday as a precautionary measure. Interestingly, National Board of Education had also issued a notice addressing paper leak befalling on Friday. Meanwhile, massive uproar across the nation has spurred the Modi government into action. Centre has handed over the investigation to the CBI to probe the alleged lapses in NEET UG. However, 15,000 students are appearing for NEET UG today. Centre also made a big change in the NTA by sacking the current Director General Subodh Kumar and appointing Pradeep Singh Kharola as the new NTA chief. Amid this, the opposition is up in arms, blaming the Modi government for back-to-back lapses in exams. Rahul Gandhi slammed Prime Minister Modi and termed BJP government as the biggest threat to students' future.
इस बार बिना रीजन के अचानक से इसको पोस्टपोन करना ये समझ के परे है। और नीट पीजी तो वैसे भी ऑनलाइन बेस्ड है, ऑफलाइन बेस्ड है भी नहीं। तो ऑफलाइन पेपर का एक वो चांस था, चलिए वो लीक हुआ या जो भी उसमें हुआ वो अलग बात था, बट नीट पीजी तो एक ऑनलाइन पेपर होना था, इसकी तो लीक होने की संभावना बहुत ही कम थी। इनको अगर करना भी था, अगर पोस्टपोन, तो ये कुछ दिनों या कुछ हफ्तों पहले कर देते।
एक रात पहले ये घोषणा कर देना कि अब एग्जाम नहीं होगा, ये सरकार एग्जाम नहीं करा पा रही है। नौजवानों के बीच ये सरकार अपना विश्वास पूरी तरह से खो चुकी है। जो शिक्षा मंत्री आज से 4 दिन पहले एनटीए को क्लीन चिट दे रहे थे, अब एनटीए के डायरेक्टर जनरल जो एग्जाम्स के हैं उनको हटा रहे हैं। ये क्या लीपापोती चल रही है? किसको बचाया जा रहा है? क्या एक अफसर जिम्मेदार है सारे एग्जाम्स में जो घपले हो रहे हैं उसमें? क्या उसके ऊपर किसी का वरदहस्त नहीं है? ये जांच कब होगी? कब ये सारे जवाब लोगों को मिलेंगे? कब ये सरकार सिर्फ एग्जाम ठीक करा पाएगी?
It's a complete failure of the government of India, because with so much technology, I can't seem to understand why there are so many glitches every time there's a competitive exam. Children and parents work very, very hard to cross this big path and this milestone of their life. And if children are going to get cheated like this, it's very, very unfortunate. And the government has failed us. Every time they promise something, something else comes up. So how do you be rest assured that this will be fair and a just exam? And what emotional cost of the children and the parents?
जब से भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार इस देश में आई है, लगातार पर्चे लीक हो रहे हैं। लगातार, कोई पहली घटना नहीं। नीट का हुआ, नेट का हुआ, इसके पहले उत्तर प्रदेश में पुलिस भर्ती 60 लाख अभ्यर्थी भर्ती हुए थे, उसका पर्चा लीक हो गया था। आप सोचिए, देश के अंदर में 12th का एग्जाम देने जाओ तो पर्चा लीक हो जाता है, ग्रेजुएशन का एग्जाम देने जाओ तो पर्चा लीक हो जाता है। तो इसके मतलब आप ये पर्चा लीक कोई आप इसको इतनी आसानी से नहीं ले सकते। ये एक वार की तरह, जैसे किसी कंट्री में वॉर होता है तो जितना नुकसान होता है उससे कहीं ज्यादा नुकसान इससे होता है। ये राष्ट्रद्रोह का मामला है। ऐसे नहीं चलेगा कि पर्चा लीक हो गया और इंक्वायरी हो जाएगी, बाद में ये सस्पेंड हो गए, वो टर्मिनेट हो गए, लेकिन उनकी फैमिली पे क्या बीत रही होगी जिनके फाइनेंशियली क्राइसिस में आ गए। अब 1 साल बाद वो बच्चे को पढ़ा पाएंगे कि नहीं पढ़ा पाएंगे?
They're being shameless about it, and if this is their excuse, oh, we've cancelled exams, is actually letting down thousands and lakhs of students who come with the faith that the examination that they give will be free and fair. What is surprising is that they are taking action against bureaucrats. What they're doing away with is asking for accountability from those in government. Please, let's not forget, exam after exam, either paper leaks or grace marks or many other issues that have impacted them, whether cancellation, postponement. It's a problem that comes from we have to address the root cause. The root cause is the government.
This is the largest educational scam of this century in our country. By replacing DG or by postponing certain examinations, this central government cannot disorder their responsibilities. We have seen our education minister saying few days back that no corruption has taken place. But later on, when thousands of proofs were coming out on the surface, which were proving that it was a deep-rooted conspiracy and it was a big corruption, they must be held responsible, and education minister must apologize before the entire country, and he should resign immediately.
Right. Ashutosh Mishra is joining us live from Delhi. Ashutosh, given that the retest is taking place today, what exactly is the CBI going to probe in the case?
Well, more likely, it will begin from the investigation that is being already carried out by the EOU of Bihar, because that unit has already cracked down the case, not only, trapping the main culprits, but also having the confession from those students who had access to those question papers just night before the examination. But more disappointing is yet again postponing another, another examination. This morning when there was NEET PG, which was scheduled 10 hours ago, most of these students, not just at back for them, but also their parents, have reached to different cities to carry out this examination. And all of a sudden they hear that now the exam has been cancelled. But moreover, since not just one NET UGC, but also the NEET examination probe has been given to the CBI. Now there is a crackdown, and remember, the Bihar EOU has been accusing NTA for not cooperating in the investigation, not submitting the desired documents by the unit, which would take the case further forward. Now, when the case is handed over to the CBI, they will register an FIR into that case, and then seek further documents and support from the Bihar EOU. That also means that this probe will not only be restricted or confined in the state of Bihar, in the state of Jharkhand. But remember, the Union Minister of Education, Dharmendra Pradhan, earlier in the government has been saying this is certain limited in the restricted areas, in certain pockets. Later, he also clarified while speaking to India Today that this was too hasty to giving a clean sheet to the NTA. And perhaps why you see the Director General of the NTA has been removed, has been sacked, and been shunted out. Now there is a new officer taking charge. Subsequently, when this investigation carried out, this may have a pan-India investigation. So clearly, from registering an FIR, seeking help of the EU, then going through all the confession that is already available with the Bihar police. Now all of through that will take a quite longer time. But in the meanwhile, the people at the receiving end are those students, their family members, and this is no less than playing off their future. Clearly, their life, their preparation, hard work for an year is going to be in a drain, because no one knows when will be the next examination. And clearly the NTA had lost face, had lost the trust of the people. So now there are totally a new rehaul being done with the NTA. Former ISRO chief will be carrying out a specific investigation. There is a new body being formed that will giving some consultation as a suggestion as far as reform in the NTA is concerned, also to carry out a transparent and smooth examination. So all of a sudden you see the first day of the weekend has really gone not good with the government. They have taken some major decisions to ensure that and calm down also the anger. And more importantly, 48 hours ago, the parliament session begins of NDA 3.0. So clearly we'll have to see this is going to be a developing story throughout the day.
Right. Thank you, Ashutosh, for joining us with all those details.